What's good? It's your boy JLG here, back at you with another video, and today I got a very special unboxing for you guys. I'm going to be opening up and looking at the Jordan 1 Bloodlines. Now these, I don't know why, but they kind of bricked, guys. You know, they were a pretty clean colorway coming out. I almost consider getting a personal pair if I didn't already have some black and red shoes, as you can see there. So I'm trying to sort of more expand on my collection into more colorful stuff, if you know what I mean. Maybe some solid blues and some solid reds before I get into that. But yeah, so I didn't end up picking a pair for personal. I'm going to be reselling these, but the profit's looking pretty slim at the moment. You know, they retail for $230, and you can check StockX, they're not doing too good right now. But that does not mean we're not going to still open these up and take a good look at them, because they are still a very nice and clean shoe. So I don't want to waste any time. I want to get straight into the video, guys. But before I do, I need everyone to go down below, smash that thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. And with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so you can see I got the box here from Culture Kings. I ordered it. It took about a little over a week, about a week and a half to get here. I ordered it a couple Fridays ago, so not like 4 days ago, but the Friday before that. So about a week and a half to get here, about 11 days, which wasn't the best. I was hoping it'd get here a little sooner, but that's okay. I'm still gonna open it up for you guys. We'll start off. I'm just gonna unbox it quick. I'll probably do a transition on this, and you guys can see me when I put it out the box. Alright guys, and we are back, and as you can see, I forgot my scissors, so I was trying to get the cardboard box open with a pen, and I just had no chance at all. But here is the box. Unfortunately, you can see in this corner here, it's been a little banged up during the shipping. But that's okay. Apart from that, it's in pretty good condition. As you can see, just your regular Jordan 1 box. Flip it around. Here you guys can see size 8. I will be selling these. You can check my sneaker selling page at Blueprint Sneaker Store, or just follow me on Instagram at JLGSYG. You can see it here, or you can go down to the description and click the link so you can go straight to my page to follow me. But I want to get straight into these now, guys, so I'll probably give you a little view. You guys can see the paper before me. Put that down there. Damn, this paper is a little banged up. I don't know if you guys can... Yeah, this paper is really banged up. Alright, I'm just going to try and untangle this for you guys. I'll put one on here. These are actually nice. I'm actually telling you, I've had a few ones in my hand now that are similar to this. I got the gym reds, and honestly, I prefer these. These are pretty clean. I'll just leave them to sit here for now. Ooh. Oh, you gotta get that smell in there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got them right here. I'll put this box down for now. But can I just say, the hints of red make this shoe not like tacky but classy, you know what I mean? It's not too much red, something you can bust out, it'll look clean. I can see like a lot of outfits going with this shoe right now. I'm going to be looking maybe on, I know it sounds kind of basic, but I'll be probably looking on Pinterest for outfits for these. And as you can tell, it does come with the multiple pairs of laces. Now these white ones just look to be just your regular white laces, but I noticed on these black ones, sorry, there's a bit of red writing. If you guys can see that. I don't know what it says, so I'll have a look now. I didn't know that it came with this in any photos. It said, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" Oh yeah, because these were not officially called the Jordan 1 Bloodlines. If you looked at Nike sneakers, Bloodline was sort of just like the nickname for these, but it sort of caught on more as the official name for the shoe, because on the inside of the shoe, it's hard to see on this one, but I'll try and get it on, yeah, that'll sort of work. Move the laces out of the way. If you guys can see, you probably can't see too well in there because it's a bit dark, but it does say on the inside, who said man was not meant to fly? So obviously that guy with Jordan, you look at the logo, it's him going up for the dunk, so that sort of resonates quite well with what Jordan's all about, what we know him for. Obviously he's high-flying, mesmerizing dunks. But I do want to end off the video saying I love these shoes. I wish I had gotten a personal pair because they are pretty clean. Red soles, if you didn't know, if I didn't show you that before. A few more hints of red there. But that does bring me to the end of the video, guys. Tell me down in the comment section below, did you like them? Did you not like them? You know, where do you stand with these shoes? For me personally, like I said, they're definitely a big W. But you gotta let me know down below. Let's get some debates going. And thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell just so you're notified every single time I post another banger video. And until next time, guys, peace.
Bitch, I put my line on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, sober watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fucking shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like